Okay, sir.
Today you have to perform the linear acceleration. Wait. Yes, can you see this instrument now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now we are now going to open this manual.
सर ये लैब मैनुअल हमें कब तक मिल जाएगा?
सर लैब मैनुअल देना थी?
नहीं।
ना सर मिलने
It's okay. Then you have to write down here. Sir will send you. Are you clear? Now, can you see this one? Can you see the screen?
यस सर
So step by step, then you have to write down. Thereby, it will not difficult to you to write in your copy. So please write down the aim of the experiment here. Have you written? So step by step, aim of the experiment, please write down to determine acceleration of a body moving along an inclined plane. Have you written or not? Yes. And then three things you are going to find out here. In time. No. Please first of all write down the aim of the experiment. Hence find out, you write down. Hence find out the coefficient of rolling friction and
Saying the aim of the experiment, right?
Yes. Hence find out, continue it. Hence find out the coefficient of rolling friction and angle of inclination.
Coefficient.
Coefficient of rolling friction.
Rolling friction and
angle of inclination. Angle of inclination.
sir, once can you scroll up the M part, first part I have to write.
Okay. Write down.
Yes, sir.
To determine the acceleration of a body moving along an inclined plane and hence find out the coefficient of rolling friction and angle of inclination.
Yes, sir, done.
So this is your aim. So three things you are going to find out. One is the acceleration. Inclined plane, this is the body. You can see it is the plane and it is having incline. Can you see the path we have kept it as inclination? Incline is there. Understand? Some angle with the surface. Understand about it? Thereby it
Yes,
is
sir.
this plane is inclined plane. And hence you are going to find out the edge because this is this body is moving over a wheel is there, thereby you have to find out the rolling friction how much, and hence find out the what is the angle of inclination, how much angle with the surface is there, that you are going to find out. These three things you are going to find out. Then please write down the materials required.
Yes, sir, written.
Written. So
Yes, sir.
about the, now please write down. All of you,
Where,
please write
sir?
down. Yes, yes, write down. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
So about the material, see that computer system is required for you. This LabVIEW is the software, and your computer should be MS Office Excel installed should be required for it. Are you clear about the first instrument? And second instrument is your Vernier dynamic cart. This is the cart we call it the Vernier dynamic cart, and some accessories is required for you. And the cart is moving over in path, and that path we call it Vernier path. Are you understand? About the second one, Vernier dynamic system cut. Cut means the body is moving, and some accessories means some wire and some thread knot is some stand is required for it. And also Vernier track means the cart is moving over in path. This is called as Vernier track. Do you understand?
Sir, in that cart one, sir, you said anything we can place over there, or that one is fixed
Yes,
one?
yes. Anything you can place thereby you can also find out.
Okay,
What
sir.
is the,
Okay.
are you clear?
Yes, sir.
And third one is your motion detector. This is your motion detector, is not it? So can you tell me what is the function of motion detector?
Track the displacement, yes, sir.
Yes, it measures the displacement with respect to time, is not it? Thereby you can find out the velocity.
Sir,
Yes,
that motion detector tracks that the cart which moves over the Vernier track.
yes.
Through which it finds the displacement.
The system is like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, okay. So this cart is moving over this path. So it detect the displacement of this cart. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
It has some this function. This motion detector has some function and some light wave. It is there. Thereby it can measure the displacement. Understand about it? Yes. So it measures the displacement of this cart with respect to time. Time also there. Then fourth one is your NI Mindac with Vernier Mindac adapter. You already familiar with this one. Every experiment you are using the NI Mindac which is the software, which is the hardware, and the von Neumann adapter is required for you. Understand about it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I am telling about the some theory part. Please you have to write down. Yes. Can you see this copy now?
Yes,
Please you
sir.
write down in your copy. So inclined path means the body is moving upward motion and downward motion, and you have to find out what is the acceleration of this body whenever the body is moving upward and whenever the body is moving downward. Are you clear? Acceleration, first time you have to find out the acceleration. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see
Yes,
that. Yes. So now see that. Please you have to note down in your copy. So let this is your plane. You have to note down. And this is your inclined plane. Is not it? Yes, draw, first draw it. You have to do it. This is theory.
Sir, in plain side.
Plain side means you are doing in your rough copy, is not it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
rough copy, anywhere you can write down. In your plain copy also you can write down.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear? Have you draw it?
Yes, sir.
Now that body, one body is here, we have placed here. Understand? This is inclined plane. We have placed a body here. Yes. So due to this body weight, the body weight is just vertically to the downwards will be there, and that weight equal to mg. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this weight or this mg divided into two components. One is mg sin theta, another one is mg what?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Thereby mg cos theta is always downwards, like this is the way you have write down. This is your mg cos theta, you have write down here, and this side will be gives you mg sin theta. You have write down mg sin theta. Is not it? Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now there is a normal force acting on it. Is not it? This is reaction force or normal force is there. That is equal as N. Yes. So now let the body is moving upward. Remember, let the body is moving upward. That means acceleration will be in upward motion. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If the body is moving upward, another force, that is frictional force, is acting just opposite of the motion. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let you write down just opposite. There is frictional force. I am written as Fk. Please you write down Fk. Fk is acting opposite of the motion.
Yes, sir. Written.
Yes. Now, you tell me, is the body moving vertically in this way? Can this body move vertically?
No, sir.
No.
No. Why not?
Sir,
Why not?
so
Yes, sir.
what did
Normal and mg both are.
No, you are wrong. Not normal and mg.
And weights component.
Which one? Yes, these two are normal force or reaction force, and or mg cos theta is balance. That means those are same. That means n that is equal to mg cos theta.
sir,
Yes,
so what did you say after the upward acceleration?
upward acceleration. Let the body is moving upward motion.
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir. After that, what did you say?
Then frictional force will be acting on the opposite of the motion, is not it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is Fk. I am written as Fk. Here the body cannot move vertically. It is because of normal force and mg cos theta are cancelled, means equal. That means n equal to mg cos theta, is not it? Do you understand or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, let the body is moving horizontally. This is horizontal. Now total force, that F, that equal to how much? Let the body, this is your horizontal axis. What is the total force acting on it? Yes, you write down Fk plus mg sin theta. You write down. Have you written?
Sir, 1 second, can you repeat that one?
So what is the total force acting on the x-axis? See that in the x-axis there is the mg sin theta is acting on it, and also frictional force is acting on it. So total force will be mg sin theta plus Fk. Fk means frictional force. Is not it?
Yes.
Do you understand or not? Yes. Now tell me, what is frictional force? Frictional force is how much? Frictional force is
Mu K.
mu k on mu n. You are written as mu n. Is not it? In frictional force, you have write down as mu n plus mg sin theta. Understand? See that in case of mu, you have to write down mu r, small r is there because the body is moving over a wheel, thereby mu r, ruling friction. Mu r, you have to write down mu r, a small r, you have to write down mu r n plus mg sin theta. Are you clear? Yes. So F equal to what? F equal to ma, is not it? You write down ma, that is equal to mu r. N equal to what? N equal to how much? Put the value of n here.
Theta.
Yes. That is equal to mg plus mg sin theta is there. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then same thing also ma, that is you take a common of right hand side, m, take a common, then what will be there? What is there? Have you taken you are taking the common of m, is not it? Then it gives you mu r g cos theta plus g sin theta, is not it? So here m is cancelled. Yes. Then this a equal to what? Mu r g cos theta plus g sin theta. So is not it? So here the body is moving upward, thereby acceleration having upward. I have written a arrow mark and given upward motion, and you have to make it as the equation number 1.
Sir, that one what represent the upward and downward motion? That a up down mark, that one you given, sir.
Upward means the body is
Yes, sir,
moving
yes, sir.
upward, and
Yes, sir,
a
yes, sir.
means acceleration having upward. The body is
Yes,
moving
sir.
upward.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So
Yes,
please
sir.
don't take G as common because here M is there. I have to cancel the M. Are you clear? And you are going to find out the
Yes, sir.
acceleration. And you are going to find out the acceleration whenever the body is moving upward. Are you clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, second things. This is the acceleration whenever the body is moving upward. Now, another figure you have to do, and the body moving is moving in downward. So this is the another figure you have to draw it. This is the plane, and this is the inclined plane, and the body is here. Have you written? Yes. So here weight is also here. Normally to the that is called as mg. Same thing also mg. This mg divided into two components, or weight is divided into two components. That is equal to mg cos theta. Another one is your mg sin theta. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Similarly, reaction force is this side is a reaction force. And are you clear? Let the body is moving downward. Downward means in this direction the body is moving, thereby acceleration will be in this direction. Are you clear? This body is moving downward. In this direction the body is moving. Yes. If this body is moving this direction, then in opposite direction there is frictional force is acting on it, that is Fk. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you understand, all of you? Now tell me, what is the total force acting on this x-axis? So y-axis there is no motion will be there because normal force and mg cos theta are cancelled. Now tell me, what is the total force acting on x-axis?
mg sin theta minus
Yes, mg. Yes, tell me. Mg sin. Yes. Then tell me what you have to write down. Yes. Mg sin theta minus. Yes, write down. Then, are you writing or not? All of you? All of you writing or not?
So what is the first line? F equal to?
F equal to, see that here is two forces acting on it, mg sin theta and fk. So mg sin theta minus fk, the direction, opposite direction of the motion, thereby it is your minus fk. Understand?
Yes,
Mg
sir.
sin theta and minus fk. These are opposite direction. Do you understand or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then similarly, frictional force, you know what is the frictional force? That is equal to mu Rn. Put the value of frictional force as mu Rn. Have you written? Yes. Then put the value of n here. Mg sin theta minus mu Rn equal how much? Mg cos theta. Yes. Write down. So here F, this F equal to Ma. Write down Ma. That is equal to, take common right side, take common M. Have you taking common? Now what happened? MM will be cancelled, is not it? Then tell me, now you have to, in case of A, you have to plot a sign of downward sign. What is downward sign? Tell me. Downward. Then what is equal to how much? Yes. 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 And this is the equation number 2. Please you write down, this is equation number 2. All of you written or not?
So 1 minute.
Yes, please write down. Please write down. This is the way you can find out what the acceleration of the body moving in downward. Understand? Have you written or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you have written? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now listen. So your first aim is to find out the acceleration of the body moving in inclined plane. Second one, to find out what? Coefficient of rolling friction. Coefficient of rolling friction is, this is mu r, is not it? Yes. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract equation 1 to equation 2 and tell me what is your coefficient of rolling friction. You have to subtract equation 1 to equation 2 and tell me. And tell me what form you are getting of coefficient of rolling friction.
Two G cos theta, sir. Mu r is
Yes,
equals to.
yes. By putting this value, upward downward acceleration, and g value equal to how much? 9.8 meter per second square. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And angle of theta is the angle of inclination that you are going to find out. Thereby, you can find out the coefficient of rolling friction.
What is the height, sir? That difference of the height inclined plane from top to the bottom one.
Yes,
That
I
is
will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Let to be wait. I will tell you. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, in this tabulation, see that. So, after materials required, this theory part you have write down. Then see that here. Then please you have to write down the tabulation part. Here the tabulation is written.
Yes, sir.
Observation table. Please write down. Because of you have not manual, thereby please all of you write down whatever I am telling you. Up to this tabulation and this much you have write down. Up to this much you have write down. So about the manual, please you have to ask to your teachers, Nachiketa sir, that he can send you the manual. So now please you have to write down. Understand?
Sir, this one is the manual which you are sharing on the screen. That one is the manual.
Yes.
Sir, that one I have, sir. I have that one.
Then
It's
no
available.
problem.
Yes,
No
sir. It's
problem. You
available on the
can.
Google, sir. I have
Yes.
downloaded it. Yes, sir.
Yes. Then there is no problem. You can also take a hard copy of it.
Yes, sir.
Then you can also share to your friends this one. Are you
I have
clear?
already shared, sir. In
And
notes, sir.
then why the people are
Yes,
telling that we have no manual?
So don't know, sir.
Yes. So so if you have to manual, so don't write this one. You have to later on. You can also write down this one. Just you have to plot the tabulation part. Have anybody has no manual? Have not manual? Can you tell me? Have anybody else have no manual? Have not getting the manual? Yes, you have to ask
Okay,
your
okay. I will
friends.
send, sir. I will send, sir.
Yes. You have to cooperate. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If this tabulation part I have told you, you have to write down just observation table. Huh? Are you clear? Thereby, if the manual
Sir,
if you,
that theory, after that theory part, now we have to write the observation table, na?
yes, you have to write down, then I will tell you what you have to do.
ଖାଇଲଣି? ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଫୋନ କରିଥିଲି
Tabulating all of you written. So now you see that have you got this formula here? Mu r equal to this much. Have you got it or not? Yes. Then for find out the angle of inclination, this is the formula is there. So now, yes, okay. Now you can see this one. Okay. Yes, can you see this figure now? So you can see this figure now. Can you see this instrument? Yes. So this one is called as what? And this one?
This one is Varner track.
Yes, this one?
System cart.
System card. Yes, this is the required for you. Are you clear? Now
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to, yes, now we are going to do the experiment. So now tell me how to open this program. The steps, please tell me.
Go to NI Max.
NI,
So NI
okay,
Max.
okay. Step by step you have to tell, then I will do it. So I have opened the NI Max.
Then device and interface.
Okay. Then you have to click on the devices and interfaces. Then,
NI MyDAC.
okay, NI Mindac. Then,
Self test.
okay, self text is there. Then tell me
This PC.
this PC. Then
Local disk.
local disk C. Yes, then
Physics program.
lab program. Then tell me which one you are going to do. Yes, okay. The other name college uniform installation. Then program. Then enter to the physics lab. Then you have to open the uniform installation. So now you can see the page is open now. Okay. So see that in this page, you in x-axis, they are written as time in second, and y-axis it is written as position in a meter. Are you clear? Yes. Now what you have to do? You have to run this program and take this card to outside. Wait for a minute. It is refreshing. So now you have to run this program and just release the card. Now you can see how it is looking. Yes, okay. After stop it, you can stop this program. Now see that. So this is the first parabola, second parabola, third parabola, fourth parabola, like this is the way. And having each parabola having upward and downward motion. So this peak point to this mean position will be upward, and this mean position to and this peak position will be downward. Are you understand? So in every parabola there is a upward motion and downward motion, and hence you are going to find out the acceleration of upward motion and downward motion. Are you understand?
So which one downward, which one upward?
So see that, once again, see, I am telling you. So can you tell me this slope is increasing in the side from this peak position to this mean position? This slope is increasing or decreasing?
So decreasing.
Decreasing. Means that is for this side from this peak point to this one for upward. Understand?
Okay.
From this peak position to this mean position, the slope is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
So it is your downward. Each parabola having that. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Each parabola having upward and downward motion, upward down. So see that I have released the cart here in this point. In this point, I have released the cart. The car is moving downward. Here the car is car is strike here, and after collision, the car again return to reaction force. It is coming to here, and again it is going to like this downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward. Understand? And what you have to do, you have to find out the acceleration. See that this peak position to this mean position will be upward. You don't have to require to select the total portion, this peak to the mean. If total portion you have to select, then what happens? The many number of data will be there. You have to choose a small portion, and you can also find out the acceleration. Similarly, from this downward motion, you have to choose the what? You have to choose the small portion, and you can also find out the acceleration. Understand? Yes. Now see that. See, amplitude slowly decreases. Can you see that amplitude slowly decreases? Can you tell me why?
The cart eventually comes to rest.
Yes, yes. See that whenever the cart first parabola, whenever I am taking the cart here, are you clear? And the motion detector detect from this point, and see that the cart is moving. The motion is detecting. After collision, the car is coming here, so thereby amplitude decreases. And here the amplitude decreases, and here the amplitude decreases. Thereby the amplitude gradually decreases. Understand it? So can you see this cart or not? Yes. So see that now this cart I am starting here. So it is nearby the motion detector. Is not it? Nearer to motion detector, and the motion detector detect this point from this point, and the car is moving now in this point. So again after collision, the car is coming to this position. Again from this it is coming this position. So it is gradually decreases and come to rest. Understand? Yes. Thereby the amplitude is gradually decreases. Once again we have to do it. That we have to clear the chart. What you have to do? We have to run this program, and now tell me once again. You can see here the cart. Stop it. So the cart is starting. Can you tell me? Yes. So can you tell me, whenever I am taking this cart here, in this position I am taking this cart, and I am not giving any force. I just release my hand here, and the cart is moving. See that? And why the cart starts move without any force? Can you tell me?
Due to effect of gravity.
Not gravity. Not gravity. Yes, yes.
Rolling.
Yes.
Kinetic friction.
Kinetic friction, no.
What's the component of the weight, sir?
Yes, yes. This component of the weight.
Component of the weight.
Then tell me which component? Yes, due to mg sin theta, the cart is moving. Are you clear? So now once again we have to do it. What we have to do? Run this program. Sorry. We have to run this program. Run it. See that I release my hand. You can see the cart is moving like this. Now I have to stop this program. So now see that how I am choosing the graph. See that I have to choose a small portion. Let here is 5, then I am choosing 5.5. If you choose the total portion, whatever you are getting the acceleration, if you choose a small portion, you are getting the same acceleration. Thereby, I am choosing 5 to 5.5. Understand? Yes. See that how I am doing it. So you are find out in the acceleration. Also, you have done it in lower lab. That is, you are find out the acceleration due to gravity. This same procedure also you have to follow here. Are you clear? Let I am choosing here 5 to 5.5. 5 and this one taking it 5.5. Understand? A small portion of upward motion I have chosen. Understand or not? Now, please you have to write down in your copy. Fast parabola, upward motion. You are having fast parabola and you are going to find out the upward motion, and this is the upward motion. You write down fast parabola, upward motion. No, you have to write down whatever I am telling you. You have to write down, not theory. You have to write down the data table. Data table, you have to write down the fast parabola, upward motion. Have you written? Yes. So now for data, what you are doing? You have to export it to Excel. Is not it? Yes. I have told the same thing. We are exporting to Excel. Now Excel is opening here, and what you have to do? You have to select all. Control A. Hey, listen. You have to write down this data. In first column, you have to write down the time in second, and your second column you have to write down position in meter. Please, all the data you have to write down. This is the data table required for draw the graph. About the graph, I will tell you later on. The first column is your time in second, second column is your position in meter. You have with you the calculator or not? Have you with your scientific? Yes. Whenever I am asking you, you go and chart me in your chart head, you have to chart with me. Are you clear?
Sir, so we have to make this another table.
Yes, this is the another table. I have told you data table. First column is your time in second, second column is your position in meter. This is first parabola, upward motion. Have you all written or not? Yes, write down, write down. Because this data table is required for plotting your graph. Written. Now, same procedure you have to follow as you are doing in for find out the acceleration due to gravity. Then what you have done then? You have to select all, then can you tell me? Yes, insert, then yes,
Scatter.
scatter, then
First one.
first one. Okay. So I have to increase this one as 0.6. Okay, let to be wait for format axis. This will be fixed and it will be 0.6. Okay. So can you see this one? This is the graph. Can you see this graph?
Yes, sir.
So in this graph, see that in x-axis you have taken as time in second, and y-axis you are taking as position in meter. Are you clear? They it pore kori. हाँ they it pore kori मुझे ना. मैं संध्या घरे गले करी में. Hello. So in x-axis you are getting as in x-axis you are taking a time in second, and y-axis you are taking position in meter. Are you understand about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me how to find equation of motion. How to get it? How to get it the equation of motion? Yes. Not right click. Left click on any point. Then right click. Oh sorry. Left click on any point, then right click, then where it is not coming. Okay, to be wait. Right click. Yes. No.
So first you left click.
Yes, then right click. So why it
No,
is
only
coming?
left click.
Yes, left click. Okay,
Then
okay.
deadline.
Let to be name. Left click, then yes, left click, then right click. Suddenly, are you clear? Then R trend line. Yes, R trend line. Then no, you have to click on polynomial. Then display equation on chart. Yes, okay. Then you have to close it. Mouse is not coming. Yes. Can you see this graph? Yes. Now, so instead of x square, you can also, you have to write, instead of x square, you have to write down as t square. Understand? Because y equal to, in your equation, it is written y equal to at square plus bt plus y0 equal to 0. Now tell me, what is your acceleration? Please tell me. That is acceleration? No. What is your acceleration? Are you finding the acceleration or not? You are getting the equation, then acceleration is how much?
0.6. 0.457.
0.4574. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the acceleration of upward. Now we are going to find out the acceleration of downward of same parabola. Now please you have to write down downward acceleration. Please you have to write down the downward acceleration. Have you written? Same parabola, you have already got the acceleration. Now for same parabola, you are going to find out the downward acceleration. Parabola 1 and downward acceleration. Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Now choose the portion to find out the acceleration. Please choose the portion.
So 10 to 10.5.
Yes, not that is 10 to 10.5 will per second parabola. You are doing the first parabola.
6.5 to 7.
Yes.
6.5 to 7.
Yes. See that you are choosing 7 to 7.5. See that I am choosing here 7. Then this one choosing as 7.5. Now tell me what I have to do. Export to Excel, and this one. Please write down the data. Please write down the data. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then same the way you have to go. Insert, scatter. First one you have to go. Any one point you have to click on it. Right click. Add trend line. Polynomial. Display equation on chart and close it. So it is too late. Acha. So can you tell me? Okay. So what is your, can you tell me what is your equation, what is your acceleration?
Zero 0.0256.
0.0256. So listen, this was not coming correct. Are you clear? This was not coming correct. I'll tell you later on. Are you clear? Now, please you have to take a screenshot. So this one you don't have to write down in your copy. So I will tell you later on. Are you clear? Yes. Please you have to write down whatever I am telling you later on. I will tell you. Please, you have to write down all these things and take a screenshot, please, this one. Have you taken? Yes. So, similarly, you will see that this is for x-axis, you are taking as time in second, and y-axis, this one is position in meter. Then we have to go for, you have to write down the parabola 2, upward motion. Parabola 2, upward motion. Have you written? Yes. Similarly, we have to choose how much? We have to choose we have to choose 9 to 9.5, is not it? So you have to choose it 9 to 9.5. This is parabola 2, upward motion. 9. Let I am choosing as 9.5. And we have to export it to Excel. And from this Excel, you can please write down this one. This data, please write down. This is the parabola 2, upward motion. This is the data table. So there is 5 observation you have to take. Have you written? Yes, you have to respond. Then you have to go for insert, scatter. First one you have to go. Any one point you have to click. Add trend line, polynomial, display equation on chart, and you have to close it. Okay, it is coming correct, I think. So now tell me, what is your acceleration? Now tell me.
0.2966.
0.29. You write down 0.2966. Are you clear? And take a screenshot of this one. Whenever you want, you can also see how.
Acceleration is?
Yes.
Acceleration is?
Yes, you have to find out what is your acceleration for this one. Equation is given. Your acceleration to 0.2966. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now we are going to find out the 4-second parabola downward acceleration. So now you have to write down downward acceleration. Now can you tell me in which place you have to choose? We have to choose, see that 10 to 10.5. Are you clear? Here 10 and we have to choose a 10.5. That you have to choose 10 to 10.5. 10 and you have to choose as 10.5. And what we have to do? Export it to Excel. Export it to Excel. କାଲି ପରା ନୂଆ ହବ ସନ୍ତୋଷ ସାରେ ସେଠି ଖୋଲା ନାହିଁ କି? You have to please write down this data, please, all of you.
କାଲି 2 ରୁ 4 ମୋର ଅଛି କୋଉଠି?
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଠି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଏଠି ଆସିବେ କରିବେ ତଳେ କରିବେ ଉପର କରିବା ସରିଲା।
କଣ କରୁଛ କି?
ଛୋଟ ସ୍ପିକର
ପରେ କରିବା ଉପରେ କରିବା ନା ତଳେ? ତଳେ ତ
ମତେ ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ରଞ୍ଜନ ତଳେ କଣ କାଲି ତାମାନେ ବାଡି ହବ ନା ବନା ହବ? ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ବାଇଚାନ୍ସ 5-10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ମାନେ ଛାଡ଼ି କହିଦେବେ ଆପଣ ସେଠି ଲଗ୍ଇନ୍ କରିଦେବେ ଯଦି ହେଇଗଲା
କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରି ଚଲେଇବା ଆଉ ମତେ ସାର୍ ଘରେ 5ଟା ପିଲା ବସେଇକି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଧରିକି ଗଲେ ହିଁ କାମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବି।
ମୋର ଯଦି ମାଲ ସରିଯିବ ଆଉ କଣ ଆସିବ?
ଏଠି କଣ ପଢାପଢି କରି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପତ୍ର ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଯାଅ।
Hello, have you written? Yes, have you written? So this is the you are doing second parabola, yes or no? Second parabola downward, yes, okay. Now insert, scatter. First one you have to go. Anyone you have to add trend line, polynomial, display equation on chart, and you have to close it. So it is okay. Yes. The first one, I will tell you. Are you clear? The first one is not coming correctly. Yes. Now tell me, what is your acceleration?
0.2334.
0.2334. Yes. Okay. Understand? So take a please screenshot. Whenever required, you can see. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the second parabola downward. Then we are going to for third parabola. In third parabola, so can you tell me the time to choose? Can you tell me the time? Yes. No. You should not be go beyond the mean position. If you choose beyond the mean position, then acceleration will be changes. So it will be better to choose 11.5 to 12. Are you clear? 7.5 if you choose, then it will very it will you have to require to at least 5 or 6 number of data you have to require. Are you clear? Thereby you have to choose 11.5 to 12. If you will choose 11.5 to 11.75, then no problem will be there. Are you clear? So thereby I have choose it 11.5 to 12. Last one taking it 12. Now this is the third parabola. You have to write down as upward motion. Export to Excel, and this Excel. Please write down all this data. Have you written? Have you written or not? Yes. Then same the way we are what we have to do. Insert, scatter, first one in one point, a trend line, polynomial, display equation on chart, and you have to close it. Okay, you are getting correct also here. So now tell me, what is your acceleration?
0.304.
0.304 meter per second square. Yes, okay. And take a screenshot of this one, of upward of third parabola. Have you taken? Have you taken this screenshot or not? Yes. Then we are going to find out the downward acceleration. For downward acceleration, we have to choose the 12.5 to 13. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. We have to choose 12.5 to 13. Same the way to export it to Excel. And from this Excel, you write down this data, please. Write down quickly. Written. Now, this is insert, scatter. First one you have to take, and our trend line, polynomial, display equation on chart. You have to close it. Now, tell me, what is your acceleration?
0.204.
0.2.
0.2048.
8.
Are you clear? Hey, listen. So, what you have to do? This first parabola you have written, that is not correct. Are you clear? You don't have to write down the first parabola. And whether you have to written the second parabola, that you have to write down as the first parabola, and in third parabola you have to write down as second parabola. Understand? Oh, yes, both you don't have to write down. So that part you don't have to write down. Mark it. You can see the acceleration, how much gap is there. Are you clear? Have you written? Yes, the first and this is which one is your second parabola. You have to write down that is your first parabola, and the third parabola you have to write down as this is your first parabola, second parabola. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now listen. In this your manual, yes. Yes, you have to left. Yes, you leave that from the graph and take from first parabola as your second one. You have to consider as your first, and third you have to consider as your first. Are you clear? see that here in this tabulation you can see there is 5 observation is written, is not it? Yes, but till now you have taken 2 observation, so we have to take another 2. Are you clear? No, not 3. You have to 4 observation take, and you also calculation it. Are you calculated? Are you clear? Okay. Thereby, what we have to do? We have to first once again we have to do it. Remove it. Remove it. Remove this one. Remove this one. So once again, what you have to do? Take this card to upward. Take this card to upward and run this program and release it. Stop it now. So listen. So you have taken first parabola and second parabola. Now in this observation, the second parabola you have to consider as third parabola, and third parabola consider as a fourth parabola. Are you clear? This one consider as third parabola, and this one consider as a fourth parabola. Thereby choosing the time, I have to choose 8.5 to 9. Understand? You write down as the third parabola, and I have to write down the 8.5 to 9. Last one choosing is 9. And we have to export it. This is upward motion. And please write down the data. This is third parabola. You have to write down the data. This is the third parabola, upward motion. Written or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now same the way we have to insert scatter first one. Any one point you have to add trend line, polynomial, display equation on chart, and you have to close it. Okay. It also you are getting. So now tell me what is your acceleration of what?
0.306.
0.306. You write down. And take a screenshot of third parabola upward motion. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now downward we are going to do it. So same the way we are going to do it. We have to choose from 10 to 10.5. Are you clear? We have to choose 10, or we can also choose 9.5 to 10. This is your 9.5 and this is your 10. It will better choose. We have to choose 10 to 10.5. Are you clear? We have to choose age 10 and last one picking is 10.5. This is for downward motion. Export it to Excel. Write down this one. Once again. Write down this data table. This is downward motion for third parabola. Yes. Yes. Have you written or writing? Yes.
Writing,
Write down. Write down. Written. Now insert scatter first one in one point at trend line, polynomial, display equation chart and close it. Now, yes, now tell me what is your acceleration?
0.2406.
0.2406. Yes, it is correct. So please get screenshot here. Then we have to do last parabola. Have you taken this screenshot or not? Yes. Now we have to go for the third parabola. That we have to choose 11 to 11.5. Are you clear? Yes, we have to choose as 11. Last one choosing as 11.5. And we have to export. This is your fourth parabola, upward motion. Export to Excel. And please once again you write down this one. This is the last parabola you are doing. Have you written? Yes. This is the last observation. Have you written or not? Yes. Insert, scatter, this one, in one point. At trend line, polynomial, display equation on chart, and to close it. Now tell me what is your acceleration?
0.2568.
0.2568. Have you written? And take a screenshot. Have you taken?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then we are going to find out the downward. This is the last observation. Here we have to take 12 to 12.5. Previous we have taken 11 to 11.5. Yes. Now you have to take 12 to 12.5. This is for downward motion. 12 to 12.5. And you have to export it to Excel. Go for it. Now please write down this one. Please you have to write down this data, last data. Have you written? Yes, write down. Written. Now insert, scatter, first one in one point, R10 line, polynomial, display equation on chart, and close it. Now tell me the how much acceleration is there?
0.2054.
2054. So after getting it, please find out the mean of upward and mean of downward and chart me. Please go to your chart head and chart me. Please chart me. Mean of upward and mean of downward is how much?
Sir, acceleration.
Acceleration, yes, acceleration.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Instead of 5 observation, we have take 4 observation. Then I will give you the task you have to do in your copy and you have to chart me what is the value you are getting. You people all have to chart. You all have to chart how much you are getting. You have 60 students, you are 62 students you have joined. I want to see that how many people you are doing. Probin Patra. We have take a maximum of half an hour more, then we can complete all these things. 2 point, yes, deep Cholya. Okay. So why not you are writing your, yes, everything is okay, calculation part is okay, but why not you are writing your unity edge, because this is acceleration. Nitesh Ranjan Naik upward 2909. Okay. Nilesh, where is your downward? Nilesh. Yes, yes. Deep chalo, okay. Yes, I am confused. What about the other? Only two people they are involving. Please calculate and send me quickly. Others. Okay. Florida. Ankit. Yes, okay. What about others? Only 3, 4 are they are doing out of 62. Shashwat Samal. Subhas. Yes, Subhas upward is okay. Where is downward? Yes, is quickly. Yes, others. Akash. Yes, so quickly. All of you, please, hush. Nilesh Ranjan Naik. Okay. Nilesh, where is he? Nilesh, have you calculated the upward or not? Truptiman. Subhrangshu. Yes, okay. Nilesh, okay. Subhrangshu, okay. Akash, have you calculated the upward? Pranav. That means these people, why people you are too late, Pradyumna, Pravik Raj. Okay. Alek Kumar Parda. I cannot know which one is a downward, which one is a upward. Alek. Yes, Swaraj Raul. Okay. Okay. Let us we move. Try to do whenever I am telling you, instantly you have to calculate. Instantly you have to write down in your copy and instantly calculate with your calculator. Please don't delay. So now, can you fulfill this tabulation part or not? Can you fulfill this tabulation part or not? Only the equation you have to write down in the tabulation observation table. But whatever data table you have taken, that should be before observation table you have to write down. Understand?
Okay, sir.
First of all, you write down the data table for observation, for data table you have to write down. Then you have to write down the observation table. And remember one thing, we have given you for graph, for tabulation we have given you. But whenever you are doing the graph, you have to choose any one parabola and you have to draw up that parabola upward graph and downward graph. And hence you have to write down the scale as well as each coordinate of each point. Do you understand, or I will tell you once again?
One second, sir.
Listen, I have given you for observation or for data table. I have also given. You have to write down all these data table in your copy. But whenever you have to plot the graph, you have to plot any one parabola graph. Any one parabola graph means that contain upward acceleration and downward graph. Upward graph and downward graph. Anyone, you choose anyone out of 4. and that graph should be contained in your copy. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. You will choose any one of the parabola, but all data should be there in your copy. Any problem about it? And in this graph, you have to write down the scale, and also in x-axis you have to take 10 small division equal to 0.1 second, and whatever you are taking for y-axis centimeter. And also you have to write down the coordinate of each point as well as you have done in acceleration due to gravity. Have not you done that? Have you done the graph in acceleration due to gravity?
Yes, sir.
Same thing you have to do here, but here we have given you 4 parabola, but in this graph you have to do only 1 parabola, but all data should be contained in your copy. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now this is the first observation was there, first aim was there, that to find out the acceleration due to gravity of an inclined plane. Have you got it or not? Have you got it? The acceleration of upward and acceleration of downward, have you got it or not? Yes. Now, second aim is to find out the coefficient of rolling friction. Before doing the coefficient of rolling friction, we have to find out the angle of inclination. This is the third aim. Is not it? Yes, yes, tell me. Oh, yes, yes, but yes, yes, one mean. You have to write on 1, not to write mean means 1. Are you clear? Okay, okay. So now, first of all, we do first observe first aim is here clear. Then second aim we have to do later on. Now third aim is here to find out the angle of inclination. Please write down this this equation. Please write theta equal to sine inverse h2 minus h1 by 100. Remember, someone is asking what is the h1 and h2 value, is not it? Someone was asking me, any one of you, that how you have to tell me what is the h1 value and h2 value, is not it? Yes. Now I am doing this one. Have you written this theta equal to sine inverse h2 minus h1 by 100? Not you have to, this is calculation part. Here you can see here written angle of inclination. Have you seen here written? Oh yes, it is the calculation. You have with your the manual, no? You have with, then whenever you write down this one, sine inverse h2 minus h1 by 100 written. Now see what I am doing here. So see that this one is your upper level and this one is your lower level, is not it? This cart is moving from upper level to lower level. Thereby, this lower height I am measuring with the help of scale. See that here I am measuring this lower height with the help of scale here, whether the car is striking. Please you have to write down. This one is your 5.5 centimeter. Please you have to write down. This one I am taking as lower level height as h1. You have to write down as 5.5 centimeter. Have you written? Yes. And similarly, we have to require to know which one is your upper level. So in upper level here, whether the not here we have to start this card. And this upper level you have to write down with 8 centimeter. Please you have to write down with 8 centimeter upper level. S2 equal to 8 centimeter. Have you written? Have you written or not?
Yes.
What is your H1 value?
Five,
And H
5.5.
and H2 value 8 centimeter. Remember, we are considering that this length is 100 centimeter. From this knot point to this point is 100 centimeter we are taking. You can take any length, 50 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 80 centimeter, any length you have to take. But I have taken it as 100 centimeter for my easy calculation. Understand? So that is 100 is written. So now you can find out and chart me. What is your angle of inclination? Please chart me.
So
Please
sine
chart me.
inverse 0.025.
Write down what is the angle. Theta equal how much? So theta equal to sine inverse 8 minus 5.5 by 100. Yes, deep, deep, deep. You are doing wrong. Akash, yes, you are correct. I think 1.43. Okay. Yes, 1.432. Okay. So please, all of you, chart me. What is the value of thought? Yes. No, no, not degree. You have to write on degree. Astus Ranjan. Okay, please quickly you have to chart me, all of you. Then another things we are going to find out. Shashwat Samal, Subhas Mandal, Swaraj Rao. Yes, okay. All of you. Where are others? Aditya Ranjan Naik, Harish, Chandra, Sushant, Rabin. Pradyumna. Okay, that means you are getting. I want to say that whether doubt is any wrong is there. Thereby, I can, if you are getting all the correct, all writing, all result is coming. That means you are calculating correct. Yes. No other one to. No other people are there. Yes. Okay. So this is the third aim to find out the angle of inclination. Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now another one is there to find out the what? To find out the coefficient of rolling friction. So mean of upward value, you know it. Mean of downward value also you know it. And to G value you have to put as what is 9.8 meter per second square. And cos of theta value you have to put as theta equal to 1.432. Cos of 1.432 you have to put, and chart me what is the value you are getting as coefficient of rolling friction. Please chart me. So 61 student, I want to this you have to chart. You have to go through your chart and chart me to what is result you are getting, because all the value you know it. This is the calculation part. 0.0036. I have also calculating. Yes, you people have to chat me. Yes, what about other? What about other? Some people are doing, some are not. Yes, Harish Chandra. Harish. Harish, am I audible? So what you have written here? 0.0251. This is, I think, wrong. You are doing wrong calculation. You are doing wrong calculation. You have mean of the acceleration, you have mean of the downward acceleration, and have to find out theta value is there. Checking, yes, check. What about the others? Only 10 people are 10 people are calculating. What about the others? Are you calculating or what you are doing? Truptiman. Okay. Yes, it is. Okay. Subhranshu. So very less persons are doing it. So please write down your standard value. Please write down your standard value. This is the path of steel path, and also wheel is steel. Thereby coefficient of rolling friction is 0.003. Are you understand? Have you written? The standard value you have to write down as 0.003. Have you written or not? Yes. Now can you find out the percent of error? Yes. Now I'm telling this one things. So coefficient of rolling friction you have find out, the inclination you have find out, also you have find out the acceleration of inclined plane. Then conclusion also you can write down. See that in conclusion you have the manual, you have to write down linearization of the cart for up and down motion of the carts are found to be this much and this much respectively. The difference is due to a force of friction involved during the motion of the car. The coefficient of rolling friction is found to be this much with this much of error. Please, are you clear? Can you write down or want to write here? You will write it later. Now please find out the error, percent of error, and chart me. This is the last one. You have with you your calculate value. You have with you the standard value. Please chart me what 19%. Beporta. The other people. Beporta, you are getting 19%. Astos, you are getting 22%. Which one? The other people? $21.69. Yes, other people. 21.6. And why it is so many difference are there? Somebody else getting 15.8%. Now tell me the formula to find out the percent of error.
Standard value minus observed value divided by standard value whole modulus into 100.
Yes, okay. Then why it will be so much difference between you people? Some is getting 19 point something, some is 20, and some is 21, and some is 15. Which one is it? Right? So your standard value, your calculated value is 0.0036, and your standard value is 0.003. Truptiman, 1 second, you have to check it. What about other 20%? Deep, you are getting some. Deep is getting 20%. Truptiman, have you calculated once again? Aishman Naik 19.9. That means 20%. Yes, okay. What about the others? Akash, 20% approximate. Okay, 20%. Okay. So, yes, Subhrangshu, Truptiman 20%. Yes, Pravik right 20%. Okay. So you can also, this is, you can write down everything. So any doubt regarding this experiment, please tell me now. Please tell me now any doubt regarding this experiment. So this is the way you have to find out all these things. You have to write down conclusion part. Here also calculation how to write down, but you have to write down the data table before the observation table. Understand all of you? So now you can leave this meeting, please. Okay. Now you people have to leave this meeting now, please. Thank you. Truptiman, thank you. Thank you, please.